how to create folders on iPhone Notes app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to sort out your notes by creating folders? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's dive right in. Open up your notes app first, and then you need to tap on the arrow in the top left, and you can see the folder with the plus icon at the top right beside edit. Tap on it, and then you can name your folder and then just put in a tick mark at the top right. Now you can go to your notes, long press on the note that you want to put in the folder, tap on move, and then put it in the folder that you have created. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.